Life as a man is exceptionally difficult. I say the most beautiful and the most terrifying thing about being a man is you're born without value. Society doesn't care about you. You're only going to be cared about based on how useful you are. You have the chance to build yourself up and become a superhero if you're prepared to do the hard work and be indefatigable enough to never quit. But if you're going to stand around and wait for a handout, nobody's going to ever respect you. And I think that a lot of people have forgotten about how difficult and how competitive it is as a man. We're always in constant competition with each other. And it's your duty as a man to stand up and say, I want to be as important and strong and good-hearted and God-fearing as possible. And I need to work hard to achieve those things. And the dangerous thing about overly emotional men is that they're dangerous. They're genuinely dangerous. This is what's crazy. All these people who talk about toxic masculinity and how bad it is for men to be traditionally masculine. A traditionally masculine man does things he doesn't feel like doing because it is his duty to do them. He charges into the burning building because it is his duty. Not because he feels like it, because it is his duty. We're now teaching the new generation of men that they don't have duty and they can just act on their feelings and act how they feel, and they don't have to act as a man should. Do you know what happens when you get men who just act how they feel? You get school shooters, you get violence. Men who do not control their emotions are dangerous. If you find a man who is stoic, he's not going to hurt people. He's going to sit and think about his actions very carefully, and he's going to be a good man who protects for it and provides for his family. You find a man who just acts out on impulse and does whatever he feels like, you're going to find a dangerous man. Sitting here telling men to cry more and act with their feelings and it's okay to feel this way, that way, etc., and have no self-control. That is why we have the problems we have in the world. Absolutely not wrong. So when they talk about toxic masculinity, they have it completely inverse on its head, completely not wrong. We need to be teaching stoicism. We need to be teaching young men to understand that the world is very, very difficult. It's hard to be a man. You're going to feel bad sometimes. You just suck it up and perform anyway. Not to sit there and cry your eyes out or blame other people. And when bad things happen, they call traditionally masculine men. If you need a firefighter, you need a masculine man. When you call the police because of the problem you had, you want masculine men. And as soon as a woman or a man is in trouble, when you look for backup, you look for masculine men. And masculine men have a duty to provide and protect those they care about. We have a duty to do things we don't feel like doing because we know we're supposed to do them. And that's why we stayed in the Titanic and died.
The real problem with the world is that there's an epidemic of cowardice. Men are cowards. We have an epidemic of cowardice. Everybody is so afraid. It's on the other side of fear that you're going to garner the respect of other individuals. You have to do things that they're afraid to do, meaning most likely you are also afraid. I've done a bunch of shit. I was afraid 87 times before I got in the ring and cage. It's scary, right? I lived a scary life. But by going through all of that, I am now respected. You have to learn to face your fear. I'm not saying not be afraid, because that's not brave. If you do something and you're not afraid, you're not brave. You have to be afraid and do it anyway. That's what courage is. So I'm not saying you can be as scared as you want, but you still have to go. We're living inside of a video game. Because in a video game, you're going to go through trial and tribulation. You're going to struggle to upgrade your character. And the reason you upgrade your character is when you get more stats, you can complete more difficult levels within the game. Life is exactly the same. The levels never end, but as you become better, you stand a better chance of completing them. So as you upgrade your character, you get further and further in the game, but the game never ends. That's the beauty of being a man. All these men are out here complaining that things are difficult. The reason it has value is because it's difficult. If it was easy, everyone would have it and it wouldn't have any value. Complain that it's hard to get a Lambo. The reason having a Lambo is cool is because nobody has a Lambo. How are you going to complain that it's hard to be the man, but then also understand that being the man has value? They are linked. You cannot separate the two. It's a logic fail. If you love the fact, if you love the idea of being that character you dream of yourself to be, then you should love the fact it's hard to become that man, because it means no one else can do it. There's no light without dark. You will not appreciate your six-pack unless you didn't have one and you had to earn it. That's how the world works. So when I talk to these dudes like, oh, but it's, you know what, Tate, yeah, I agree, but you know, it's hard. It's hard. Of course it is. It's supposed to be. And if you're not cut out for it, then f*** off and live a normal existence and die. Sit there, letting other men enjoy the spoils of being a man and die. If that's what you want to do, is just sit there and exist and then fade into history unremembered. That's your decision. If you want to level up your character, then you need to get out here and do it. You need to be around brave men. You need to get some balls. You need to get your network together. You need to do the truth. Humble yourself. Stop sitting there with an ego. Realize you ain't shit. You're nothing but lucky. Bacteria could have stole your eyesight at the age of 3, and it didn't. You could have been in a car crash and lost both your parents. Never happened. You've been nothing but lucky. Blind luck has given you a favorable hand, and you've managed to f*** it up. And they are trying to convince you that you should act how you feel. You should show more of your feelings. If you feel this way, you should show it. If you want to cry, cry. Look, I have no problem with guys crying. Sometimes guys cry, right? My dad died, I cried. I've cried once in 10 years, but it's not a default emotion for me. Sometimes you cry, right? But what I'm saying is the reason they're trying to bring out emotionality in you is because most of the time you don't feel like doing the things you're supposed to do. But the true masculine frame throughout history was doing the things they didn't want to do, but they knew they had to do because they had honor and duty. That's what honor and duty means. Do you think the men on the Titanic wanted to stay on the Titanic? No, we're men. We have to stay. We're scared, but we must. It's our duty to let the women and children on the lifeboats. This is masculine duty. When you remove self-control from men, you get, not only do you get emasculated weak men, but what you also get is very dangerous men. Because the world at large is trying to tell you, just be more in touch with your feelings and everything's going to be fine. Men also have an innate desire, one, for conquest, and two, we have a biological response. We are very predispositioned to anger. You look at all these school shooters and these are men who can't control their emotions. That's all they are.
Facts.
They have no self-control. And then they go and do dangerous. A good man controls himself. I have absolute self-control. If I decide to smash your face in, it was a very conscious decision. Nothing to do with the fact I was angry. You understand? Emotional control is absolutely and utterly important as a man. Now, I'm not saying become a stoic dork, have no personality, be a boring. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you need to understand as a man, there are certain principles under which you act, regardless of how you feel.
Bam.
I can wake up in a terrible mood. I can wake up sad. I can ache. I can have a busy day, stressed, etc. I will complete the same tasks as if I woke up in a fantastic mood. I'll do the same things because how I feel has no bearing on the things I'm going to do in my day because I have duty to myself and to my bloodline. So a lot of you guys out here are acting like fools because you feel like acting like fools. And what I'm going to say to you is, because you think there's something wrong with you, you go, well, I lack motivation. You hear this one? I don't have the motivation to go to the gym. Well, here's the news flash. Neither did I. And I still did it. So now what are you going to say? Now you have no excuse, right? Oh, you're scared to get in the ring. So was I. I still did it. Scared to get in the cage. So was I. I still did it. Being a man isn't about not feeling things. It's about acting the way you're supposed to act, regardless of how you feel. And I'm tired of hearing guys messing about how they feel. I don't feel motivated. I don't feel. Feel. Leave the feelings to the girls, right? That's what they do. We act. We're men of action. We get things done. So the world got built. All of it. All the men who built the skyscrapers felt scared. They did it anyway. You need to become a man of action. Stop worrying about how you feel and start worrying about what you're supposed to be doing.
You have a series of emotions you live with regularly, don't you? Those emotions could be bliss, passion, joy, faith, but they could also be worry, stress, depression, frustration, concern. And because you've done it over and over again, even though you know they don't serve you, you will find a way on a very regular basis to get those damn emotions. The quality of your emotions is going to be the quality of your life.
The Bible says in 1 Corinthians, we are unspiritual when we're under the control of ordinary impulses. And that's the way so many people are today. They just let their feelings run their lives. If they feel like telling somebody off, they just tell them off. They feel like being depressed, and they go around all depressed. But friends, we cannot just act on these emotional impulses and expect to have any kind of victory in our lives. Feelings can get us into trouble. And throughout life, you're going to have plenty of opportunities to lose your temper. You're going to get up some mornings and feel like being depressed. At times you'll get caught in traffic and feel like being impatient, feel like getting upset. But we've got to learn how to follow wisdom and do what we know is right and not just follow our feelings around. I can feel my emotions rising, but I made a decision not to get on board. Just because you can feel those emotions doesn't mean you have to get on board. When you feel like saying something that you know you shouldn't say, no, don't get on board.
Life is a man.
All right, welcome. So time is changed, man. Time is changed. So let me just do the one thing. Yeah. Let me paste this link here in chat box. Yeah, everything is good now. So just wait 2 minutes. All right. So everything should be good. Let me see. So what I was looking for. All right. So yeah, if we consider this, oh wow, I think we close right at the spot. Oh wow, now this is good, man. This is good. So also the time is changed now. The time is changed now, and someone may take a sell because this kinda close below this current resistance. But for me the problem is not that resistance. For me the problem is this resistance, this support on the 15-minute time frame. This is my problem. So, and also today 4 hour is still open. I think, yeah, they have changed the time, man. They have changed the time. Let me do one more thing. I don't know why. Oh, all right. So yeah, everything should be good. Now I have. All right. GJ. So if we look at the if we look at the 30-minute time frame, we can say this. If we look at the 15-minute time frame, we have and we were bullish for the day, but this candle break the low of the previous daily candle. Now I'm open for sells and I'm open for buys. So this is why I'm looking for sells below this level, and I think we can. Buys are a little tough, man. Let's see how this. Oh, we have 1 hour left for this 4 hour candle to close. Yeah, we have to change the London time, streaming time. Yeah, yeah. Today I came a little early, so we have to change the time. Let me see how much is this range. 20 pips. We are bullish for the day. 4 hour is still bullish. Yeah, yeah, I was expecting this. When this kind of close window wick at the bottom, I was anticipating the next candle to came up. Yeah, because this is a 4 hour time frame and 4 hour candle has no bottom wick. No bottom wick on the 4 hour time frame means we are coming up. So we have the resistance here. If we go to the 30-minute time frame, same. 15-minute time frame is also same. Let's see what's going on the left hand side. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, this is tough, man. So for buys, yeah, buys above this level are good, were good, but now buys are very, very risky. Buys are very, very risky for us, but I think so. Let's see. Now we are waiting for the candle to close. Then we'll see what happened. Yeah. For I think now the volume will also shift like 1 hour, and if we close, if we close, if this 4 hour candle close below this range, I think that would be more amazing. But for now, we have to understand this. I don't know, but yeah, man. So this is the start of the week. This is the first day. So we have to wait for the best confirmation setups. And I think on GJ, the best thing would be this kind of came down, created support, then we came up. That would be more amazing. That looks more amazing for me. But US30 today, US30 is also doing shit. Look at this, man. We have cells below this level. We have buys above this level. So now we have a waiting game. And spreads are also crazy today. Yeah, spreads are also crazy. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, yeah, this is why I was not looking for sales above this level. This candle is, I think, is rejecting one more time from this area. So for me, sales make only sense. Uh, let me let me see one more thing. Is everything good on the screen? Yeah, everything is good. You can see my broker MT5. You can't see me, but other than that, you can see everything. I think we can take a buy above this level, but this is tough because this wick is the 15-minute bullish candle. Look at this. But for now, everything is tough. Let's see. Let's see how the volume came and how we can take the trades. This is the thing we should wait for. And also, I'm not looking for US30 trade. I am just like nothing. So yeah, 15-minute candle, break the low, break the high, break the low, close bullish. Nothing. Nothing is for now. So just, oh wow, 1 hour candle closed below this range. 1 hour did not break the high, break the low till now. Oh wow, this is, yeah, 1 hour candle closed well below the range. So I don't know what's going on. I think, yeah, I think we should wait for like some proper setup. We should wait for, oh, look at this, how this gonna close. So yeah, I have potential cells closure below. Yeah, I have potential cells close below. I think that will be our partial TP. Yeah, we have first, So yeah. Oh, wow. So this is the plan. This candle has no top wick. It has to go up or create a top wick. I think potential buys make sense above this range, or potential buys make sense because 4 hour is strong bearish. You can see now 4 hour is strong bearish. So buys are very difficult for now. I think the move was happened in the look at this. We create a new low, we came up, we create a, that was an onion play for the 44 42 pips, man. Holy shit, man, how beautiful this setup was. All right, yeah, man. How beautiful this setup was. So, but yeah, it is what it is. We should not care about the moves that already happened. We should anticipate for new moves. We should anticipate for more moves, new moves. So today I'm gonna risk a little more, like I will at least risk 1% on every trade. At least 1%. Now I wanna pass the challenge, or I wanna lose my account. I don't wanna like -2%, -1%, break even, then came back to -1%, then came back to 2%. This is the thing. Now I don't like this. Now I need like, yeah, now I want this, man. Now I wanna pass this account as soon. I'm not in a rush mood, but whenever I take the trade on my setup, I'll go with a 1% risk, maybe 30-cent trade on the 5,000 account. Yeah, 30-cent trade is good. 30-cent trade is good. So yeah, we have to wait. GJ, yeah, we have cells below this level. $4 Oh, we can also take the cells below this level. Yeah, we have two opportunities for cells. I am looking for two ranges there. So yeah, and I'm also looking for cells closure below. How it looks like on the 1 hour time here. 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking for this. There's sales closure below this level. We can, so potential sales close below. This is no trade range for me. This is no trade range for me. For me, this is no trade range. Yeah, this is no trade range for me. So yeah, I wanna write there risky. Yeah, these are the risky cells. So these are not the clean cells, but still these are the cells. We'll see how these cells played out, but for now this looks good. Yeah, on the 15-minute time frame this looks good. So potential buys, we have potential buys closure above this level. Yeah, this is why I was not looking for trade until the candle closed below. This candle break the low of this candle. So alright, so if we look at this candle like this candle break the low, break the high. This candle break the low, close bullish. This candle break the low, break the high, break the low, close bullish. This candle break the low of this candle. I think it also break the low of the 1 hour candle. Yeah, and then it is coming up. So as long as the candles are closing above the range, I don't want to take the trade above the range. So yeah, below this level everything should be good, but above this level there is nothing for me. Yeah, so we have 3 minutes left for the candle to close. So what I want to do here is I want buys above this level. Yeah, buys above this level makes sense. Potential buys close above because we are bullish for the day, and 4 hour is also bullish, so everything is good. Oh, why we have Q here? So potential buys close above. Yeah, now we have to wait. Now we have to wait for our setup. Yeah, let me see one message. We have 1 minute left. 1 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 30 seconds left for this candle to close, for the 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, nothing. We have nothing. Oh, alright, so this candle close with no wick at the bottom. Candle close with no wick at the bottom. So nothing. Nothing on GJ, nothing on gold. And one more thing I wanna see here is, do we have any news? If is there any news? Alright, so we have no red folder. Yeah, we have no red folder. So there is a news at 1.5 hours later, and this is the Euro news. They are looking for extremely bad number. If the numbers came bad, that they are anticipating, that will weak the Euro, and that means Euro USD, where is, oh wow, man, holy, what was that? Oh, 530 NFP. I think NFP gives some good news, good good move on like Euro USD. Yeah, yeah, man. And I think there was no slippage on the 10 pip stop loss. Oh, amazing, man, amazing. Gold, 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 gold. Oh, wow. So, so no candle closure below, no trade for me. Yeah, no candle closure below, no trade for me. Yeah, because I don't want to be a guy who, if he see the candles like this, jump in a sell. No, I don't want to be that guy. I want to become a professional, and professional mean you have to wait for your setup and execute. When your setup shows up, execute on your setup like a lion. So because there is no my setup, there was no my setup, there was no setup for me. So if this candle closed like this, then we can take a sell with a, yeah, 16, 17, 18 pips. If this candle came further more down, so that will make some difficulties for us, because one thing that I learned from Vaja Banksy always say, if the candles, as long as the candles are printing away from the range, there is the high probability the next candle will retrace. So we have two difficulties there if the candles close away from the range. You know what two difficulties are? One is we are closing away from the range, so there's a high probability for the next candle to retest this area. And the next thing is, if this candle close there, then we have a range of like 13, 14 pips. So yeah, that will be the difficult range for us to trade. Yeah, we need at least 23, 25, 30 pip range. Yeah, this is also 20 pip range, so yeah, this is still good, but we have to wait. And this kind of close with no wick at the bottom, so also this, oh wow, this is no trade range for me. It doesn't care. I don't care if it close with no wick at the bottom or if it close with the wick. I don't care, because this is no trade range for me. We have some risky sells in this range. We have some potential sells in this range. There will be our like partial TP. We have partial TP there. Yeah, and we will target like, also look at this, man. If you can look my spreads are more than 2 pips. I don't like this. 2.4, 2.2, man. Yeah, 2.3. Yeah, spreads are crazy. I don't know why. So if we have to pay 2 pips in spreads and 1 pips in commission, and we are anticipating this 10 pip move, it means our 4 pips will go in this commission and spreads. So yeah. Also, this is the first trade of the week, so we have to be careful. Yeah, we always look for a higher confirmation setup, so that we can win our first trade of the week. But the thing is, win or lose, this is not in our hand. If we win the trade, if we lose the trade, yeah, we make billions. Good morning, brother, good morning. So if we lose the trade, if we win the trade, it doesn't care. It doesn't matter. The only thing that is matter is if we take some fluke trades, then if we lose the trade or if we win the trade, that matters. Even if we win the trade, I don't think so that win is something for me. If you are judging the traders by their wins and moods, by their wins and by their losses, man, you are doing very bad thing. This is not gonna, you are not going to judge the trader. Yeah, that will be that will be extremely difficult for you to judge a trader. But if a trader is saying that this is my setup and who is executing on his or her setup, then he's a winner, because if he don't win today, he can win tomorrow. If he can't win tomorrow, he can win the day after tomorrow. So I have to take my magic keys, yeah, and yeah, it's not done. So I have magic keys for my risk management. Yeah, some people say it is worth it, but for me it is like 50-50. You don't have to waste your $200 on this like gadget where you can put your some effort and you can manage your risk on your own. And I think you should not manage your risk some extra, because I was at this stage at once where I like always manage my risk very strict. So this is why I was at break even, because if my trade goes in like 6-7 in pips in drawdown, I close half. It goes in like 3-4 pips more in drawdown, I close another half. Then it turned in my direction and it gives me like 20 pips, and after getting 20 pips I was at break even. So this is why sometimes extra managing risk is not gonna work for you. So you can see this rejection there, man. You can see this rejection. So we have 2 pips in spreads, we have 1 pips in commission, and there was 7 pip, there was 8 pip move. And if we minus that if we minus that 3 pips in commission and spreads, we have like 5 pip move. So this is why I'm not here to take the 5 pip move where I wanna keep my stop loss like 15 pips. So you have to, when you will understand this, you will become a better day by day. And when you will become a better day by day, that will be the day you will be running on the path where you will become a successful trader. So this is the thing I was saying, that maybe it can go down to this level, it can go down to this level, but that wasn't our setup, so we didn't jump in this trade. So this is the thing I like about myself for now, is I don't rush in trades. I just wait for my setups, I just wait. This is the thing I said on my Instagram stories. If you follow me, you will learn the patience, the most important thing that you need in trading. This is the thing you will learn from me, and you will see in me I'm like you, man. I trade like you. I know this is my setup. You already know this is your setup. But the one different thing that brings the difference between you and me is, you when you see this kind of move, you take the trade there, you take a sell there. When you see this kind of move, but the thing that you will learn from me is I don't rush and I don't jump in the trade that moves like this. This is the difference you will see in me. And I think you can be the best trader, but you have to be a disciplined person. You have to build your discipline very well. So you have to stay on your playbook setups, then you can become a good trader. Other, if you are looking for making some catching some pips or making some money, it means you can make some money for a short term, but you are not going to become a good trader. Yeah, this is the reality that most traders do not accept. This is the reality, and you have to accept this reality. Yeah, you have to accept this reality. So yeah, if I lose the trade on my setup, so that would be good for me, because like if I lose the trade, if I took this trade and I lose this trade and I didn't took this trade on my setup, it means I am in a deficit. So if I took the trade on my setup and that gives me the loss, that will be the two trades loss in a row. So that will put extra pressure on my mind, because I was because I know when you take a loss, you said to yourself every time, hey man, I'm here to make money, I'm not making any money, and I'm also wasting my time, and also but you are wasting your time, because you are not follow your rules, you are not executing the trades on your playbook. So if you are doing this, then you are definitely uh, wasting your time, then you are definitely wasting your precious time. So if the thing that I said before is, if you look at this candle, if you look at this candle, this candle break the high, break the low. This candle break the low but close bullish. This candle break the low, break the high, close bullish. This candle break the low and close bearish. This candle break the high first. No, this candle break the low first, came down with a huge force, and if someone take the trade there, and he was stopped out, definitely he keep his stop loss below the previous 30-minute candle, and he was definitely stopped out like 17-16 pips. So this is the thing I want to show you guys. Now look at this candle is coming down. I don't know why, but this is market. We have to respect the market. We have to wait for like our setups. GJ, yeah, as long as GJ is in this range, we can't do anything. We can't do anything. The only thing we can do is, in this range, is to wait. Is to wait for the next candle to either close above or close below. This is the only thing that we can do. So for now, US30 is nothing, and also I don't recommend US30 for new traders. Because I'm also new on US30, and you can see me, I didn't even took the trade like in a while, man, in a while. Yeah, and we will not put US30 trades on our streaming record, because I don't recommend anyone to take the US30 trade. So you can see this, I didn't even took the trade on US30. So this is why I don't recommend US30. But why I still have US30 on my screen, because I really wanna see US30. I really wanna trade on US30. I really wanna catch moves on US30, because whenever US30 gives you move, it will give you a huge move. It will give you a big move. So that is why I like US30 the most. So yeah, looks like this 1 hour candle, because if you look this, 1 2 3 3 1 hour candles close bearish. So it is very difficult for market to print the 4th 1 hour candle in the same color. So it may like close bearish, but the thing is, my point is not like this kind of can't close bearish. But for me there is a less probability, because we are traders trading on the probability. But if we look at this setup, this is the less probability as compared to if we came up like this. If we look at a 1 hour time frame, we have 1 2 3, we have 3 1 hour candle, then we see a little bit of retracement, then we came down. You can also see this 1 2 3 4, we have 4 1 hour candles close bearish, then we see a move up, some sort of a retracement, and we can see this thing one more time, one bullish candle, second bullish candle, then we came down, then we came down. So but I'm not in a rush mode. I don't like PUBG, and if you are in PUBG, you can go with the rush mode, but if you are in the market, you can't go with the rush mode. Yeah, rush mode is, man, because in PUBG you will get another chance in the next game, but in real trading in markets, you will never get a second chance, man, never ever. Yeah, you can get the chance with new money, with new account. So this is the thing you have to understand. So we have some on and off volume, on and off volume mean. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Yeah, and we have some like same kind of spreads. It goes like 1.2 pips to 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 pips. This is also one thing that is concerning for me, the spreads. I wanna trade on the like extremely, where the spreads should be extremely good. But for today, spreads are not good. I don't know why, because we don't have any news. This thing is coming up. Maybe we also have a, yeah, 4 hour candle is about to close. So let's see how we can find the setups. So now we can see on our broker, time is changed, because we know one thing is, every time 4 hour candle close at 8 a.m. GMT or whatever it is on that time, but now now 4 hour candle is closing at the same time, but the thing is, they have changed the time by 1 hour. Let me see, 7:30. 7:30 candle mean 3:30. Oh, this was the London session trade. Yeah, guys, not London, sorry for the London session. That was the Asian session trade. So maybe, just maybe we may stream Asian session, and also we may stream London session. Yeah, and if we stream the Asian session, we will do the stream for like 1.5 hours maximum, but we will do the live stream for the London session. I am considering, yeah, from tomorrow we will came on the stream, I think 1 hour later that I came today. Yeah, I will came 1 hour later. Yeah, because now this is because this is no trade range and this is no trade time for us because time is changed by 1 hour. So we have to and let me show you the forex factory. You can see this uh, uh, where you can see this if I trading view. All right, so maybe all right, so yeah, now you can see on my screen is we have like CAD and USD time change. Yeah, saving time shift. So we have a time shift there, so that means the volume also will came a little bit of later. So now you can understand this. Now you can understand this better. So here is my MT5 by just one click. So yeah, man, I did this like I have put my hours of work to create this template. Yeah. So let's see. GJ is pushing up, pushing. We will only record our stream on X Gold and GJ. Yeah. Euro USD. Some guys want the analysis on the Euro USD, and for me, here is the analysis. If you wanna take a sell, you can take a sell below this level. Other than that, there is no sells. There are only buys closure above the range. Yeah, closure above this range. We have wick to fill 878 pips, wick to fill 7.5 pips, and yeah. So yeah, we have potential sell close below. Did any candle close below? No, so we have no sells. So there are no sells for us. I think if this candle close above this range in the next 4 minutes, then we can look for a buy where our daily bias is bullish. Then we can anticipate this. Yeah, then we can anticipate this to came up, and that was also that. Oh, weekly candle is bearish. Wow. So yeah, let's see how we can find the trade there. The big question. The big question. So potential buys closure above, no trade range. So we have 3 minutes left for this candle to close, for this 1 hour candle, for this 15-minute candle to close, for this 30-minute candle to close, for this 1 hour candle to close, and for this 4-hour candle to close. We have 3 minutes. So yeah, can we guys wait for 3 minutes? Yes, I can. I don't know if you can wait or not, but I can. I can wait for this. So we just have to wait. Yeah. we just have to wait for like 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes left for the candle close. So let's see what happened in like, yeah, 1 minute and 15 seconds. But as for now, so yeah, we have 1 minute left, and as for now, we have no trade. Oh, morning, brother. So let me just create a Zoom meeting for you. Yeah, let me just create a Zoom meeting for you so then we can talk. Yeah, then we can talk, man. New meeting. So just can you go over your USD cell again? Yeah, just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I'll go everything whatever you want, but before that I have to add one person on my Zoom. Yeah, this is the first thing that I have to do for now. Yeah, candle close, 4 hour candle close. So just wait a minute, let me send a link to my friend, and someone is selling some vegetables. I think I have to buy some fruits for me. So yeah, now you can see my MT5. Yeah, now you can see my MT5. So we have Zoom meeting, everything is good, and all right. So yeah, this candle did close below the range, and this candle is nothing. Just activate sellers, stop them out, activate buyers, try to stop them out. Nothing else is going on. 4 hour candle is closed bearish above this range, below this range. We can, yeah, let's see how we'll see how we can find the trade. But for now we have nothing. Yeah, we have nothing for now. Hey Ellie. Alright, so I have to Euro USD. Yeah, brother, I think for me Euro USD. For me, the best trade on Euro USD sells are this. This is 25 pip range, and if you look at this range, this is like 8 pip range. So I think you should wait, and also I think that will be the low. Yeah, this candle also breaks the low of that previous 4 hour candle. So then sells would make more sense for me. So I think, and also not looking for sells. I think if candle close above the range, we have a good buys there. Yeah, buys make more sense because we are in uptrend for like, look at this up move. Every time we create red candles or bearish candles, just to some sort of a retracement, then go up. So just wait 1 or 2 minutes. Let me buy some fruits for me. Yeah, man. So I'm back, man. I'm back. So Ali, how are you, man? How are you? I'm fine. Good, good. Feeling good. Yeah. Yesterday, yesterday, upload my first picture on my Instagram account. Yeah, uh, we can give some credits to iPhone, man. Yeah, and yeah, I didn't trade on Friday, but the thing is I missed the some fundamental. Yeah, you were on my stream on Friday. Yeah, yeah, and you know what? You know what I said on my stream? I said this. I said, I like as usual. I go to the Forex factory and I see, oh, we have NFP, and when I see the numbers, numbers were extremely bad. They were expecting the extremely bad numbers, and I said this, guys, listen. And then I see there was no guy on the stream, and then I said to myself, man, what is this? And then I said, uh, we can easily touch 2000 today. Easily touch. This is the thing that I said. And then I go to the daily time frame and I draw. Then this candle was at this point, and I draw a line and I said this, we can easily touch this level 2000, and it goes like 2004. And when I like, because I was busy, when I see the charts later, and I was like, man, analysis was on to the point. So that was the thing. I think that if people were on the stream, like they definitely know that thing. Yeah, we have like opportunity here to take a buy. And because when I see the numbers, all the numbers were, they were expecting all the numbers bad. So I was like, man, if they are expecting five numbers bad, if just three numbers came bad, gold can easily go to the 2000. And when I see the numbers after the news, like 2 hours, 3 hours, and numbers were, five of the five numbers were bad. So I was like, man, there was clean buys, no doubt about that. So yeah, he also, but but the thing is, the thing is, that was gambling. We don't want to gamble. I because I see his trade on the Instagram, and he was looking for sell stop and buy stop, but I was looking for trade purely on the fundamentals. This is the thing, mean, like if someone is saying that by what I did, I have to take this move, but now I'm like, I change my psychology total different. Like now we like every time I miss the move, I don't care about that move, because I know this is the market, and it will gives us like too much opportunities. So it didn't bother me if I miss the move, or if now if I lose the trade, if I win the trade, it should not, we should not care about this. Yeah, but the thing, I think buys above this level are good, because we have this we reject this area one more time, because if we close above this area, then it means there is some sort of a buying pressure, but for GJ this is no trade range for me. As long as the candles are printing in this range, this is no trade range for me. This is some risky sells, these are some potential sells. And the difference between the risky and the potential sell, whenever write like potential sells, it means I have to take that sells if the candle close below. But if we see like risky sells, it means maybe I take the trade, maybe I don't. But potential sells mean there are sells. So US30, we can write there risky sells, not potential sells. Thursday, what? No, I didn't. I was busy on that day. I think you were talking with me like that was also a news trade. Uh, I think that was a sell. Extremely overextended sells. Extremely overextended. Yeah, and you took a loss there. How much? How much was your risk? Oh man, that was bad. Then because the problem is not your loss. The problem is that wasn't your plan. Look at this. Look at this. This is 1 hour bearish candle, 2 3. When we have 3 bearish candles, there is a less chance for the 1 hour candle to close bearish. No, yeah, I'm just saying that when the sells or buys looks like oversold or over buys. So when we like that sells were, I don't know where was that sells. I think we have to go to the 30-minute time frame. Maybe the sells was there, I think. Yeah, that was the sell. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, but that was still not a very bad sells. That was good sells. But the thing is, this candle has a top wick or not. So you can put your stop loss above this top wick. Because on the salary play we always keep our stop loss above the current candle. Oh man. Hmm. Yeah. Overextended cells. Hmm. Yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing I wanna say. Like, if you have your own analysis, and if you lose like 2%, 5%, 10%, if you lose your account, there shouldn't be any problem because that was your plan. Yeah, this is the thing I said before, because I don't care about 2% loss. I care about you took the trade with like some streamer. So I think, yeah. Yeah, I have to. Man, my package got like and in 2 days of 50 GB. My streaming cost me like $10,000. Oh, 10,000 rupees every month. Their speed is like not good. Yeah, sometimes because I had this before, and on my Jazz internet, I have like 10 MBs per second, sometimes 15 MBs per second, but on that wireless internet, that is like shit, man, because it gives me uh, max speed of, I had 20 MB per second internet, and if I had to stream, I have to go for a 50 MB per second, and 50 MB per second will cost me same. But like, I if I had my package on my sim, then I can use my mobile wherever I go, and I also have some like off minutes, 1000 off minutes, and 1000 on nets minutes. So, but I am looking for 100 GB package for weekly. But I don't think so. Is there any internet company that is providing 100 GBs per week? No, I don't like game streams like this. No, nothing. I I hate games. I hate games because this is just a waste of time. Oh, because the only thing we have precious in our life is like time, and games are like, man, just waste of time. No, I don't like. I played cricket every day. I think like, I didn't even watch like. I'm not. I just like fuck off cricket. I said, man, because I know cricket is a biggest scam like football, man. Because we are watching and they are making money from our watching, our viewership. They are making money, and we are getting nothing in like, because yeah, if I watch the cricket match and if they give me some money, I'll watch every match of the cricket because this is my passion. But if I had to pay something for internet package, and I have to do everything, man, so that this is not good, and it also wastes my like too much time. But now I like yesterday or the day before the yesterday, yeah, there was no. It was on Saturday match, so there was no trading day. I wasn't at home, so I because of the marriage, so I was busy. So yeah, I was busy. So I watched that match. Other than that, I just watch Babar Azam's batting. Other than that, I don't watch cricket match. I think yeah, in the first starting days, like first 2 3 days, I was like, man, hey man, what I'm doing this? I have to watch cricket. No, but for now, I don't need to watch cricket. I don't think so. The cricket is as important for me as it was uh, 1 or 2 weeks before, and I was wasting my too much time on cricket every day. So that hits me, man, hard, because no, man, I don't have to waste my time. I have because the second thing is, when I watch cricket, I do not trade like very well. This is the second thing. So that is why I like that. No, man, I have to like put my time in some good work, not like cricket. And in the last 6 months, I played cricket like in just 5 days, and that 5 days were in the last 1.5 week. That was the 5 days I played cricket in. So I don't. I think I don't need dopamine hit or whatever you call this. I don't need this. Yeah, but I think if yeah, I also wanna say one more thing is, like, I every week I got my new package, but for now I 3 times in a week. But I think we should not care about, because I am in a process of making a brand. So when you are try to make a brand, because in the starting you have to give your 100%, you have to invest everything, but in later I think YouTube will pay me for whatever I do on the stream. uh, Today. Hmm. No. Oh, it means we can go, I think we can go anywhere up, anytime up. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the move is coming. And also one more thing I want to say you, yeah, thank you for your because in the previous week, last week, you said me the time change, and that is the thing I see today, man. Yeah, now the 4 hour candle time, 4 hour candle close is also changed. Mm. There are mm, So I was like, man, why 4 hour candle is not closing? So from tomorrow I will stream 1 hour later because there is no mean to stay on the stream and there is no volume because but if we stay on the charts for very long time we can make some bad decisions. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, yeah. We we feel some slow like. Hmm. Yeah. 100%. 100%. Uh, yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. You are right. 100% right. And this thing happened with I think everybody because as long as they are like it is not just about trading, it is about cricket, it is about gaming, whatever you do like after 2 3 hours you are like no man I have to just go for something else. I maybe just go to restaurant and eat some food and or just cake jive. Hey man, good morning. How are you, cake jive? Yeah, if I pronounce your name little wrong, just sorry, brother. How are you? Welcome to this beautiful stream where you can learn about patience, where you can learn how to not take that trade, where you can learn how to wait for the best setups. You can learn everything on this stream because we are not in a rush mood. I every day I said this, we are not in a rush mood. Rush mood only good in PUBG because you have your second chance. In trading, there is no second chance. Yeah, there is no second chance because like yeah, when you lose, you lose. You have to put some more money. Well, thanks. And how are you, man? You pronounce it. Yeah, man. Okay. So yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. So this is the stream where I have to show this when like when this candle moves uh, in a bearish direction it was like hey coming down so I was like I'm not taking this trade as long as the candles are printing above the range. I'm not taking this. And you know what happened after 5 minutes? It was at this point. So if someone take this trade and man he got stopped out, easily stopped out at whatever he was his stop loss was, he got stopped out. So yeah, this is the thing. I think we show well, people show their profits, people show their trades. I think they have to show their playbook and they have to show their discipline with their playbooks. I don't think so. We have to like show like if someone this candle may go down to this level, then people may call me, hey, you don't know how to trade. I took this trade. I make 20 pips there and stuff like that. But but on the next time this can happen like this. So this is the thing you have to understand when to take a trade or when to not. So this is the patience that we have to show you guys. We have to show you guys this is kind of a patience. So we have 1 minute left for this 30-minute candle to close. And also, oh wow, we are right at the spot, but we are not all right. So yeah, this candle did close below the range. This candle did close in no trade range. So yeah, let me put the no trade range, because people have to understand no trade range. So yeah, this is no trade range for us. I wanna, like, this is, I think this is some risky sells, or no, some buys, just buys.